Welcome back to Digital Web Garage. In this video, I am going to explain how we can convert the language easily by using the Google Translator formula. This formula will work with a Google Drive sheet. When we are working with a drive sheets, example, I have a data in the Excel date. I have a bulk number of the content which I wanted to convert from English language to Dutch language, Spanish language, German language. In these cases, if I am sitting and working by using, if I am sitting and start converting the each and individual content one by one, it will take lot of time. It will consume lot of time. In these cases, what we can do, we can convert the language very easily by using drive sheet. By applying the Google Translator formula, we can convert the any language, any number of the data easily. I will show you how we can do this. Before we going forward, if you are new to this channel, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Let's go to the drive sheet. Here is the drive sheet. We can see I have a data which is in the English language. I can say 1000 rows I have. You can see it's a use number of the data which is in English language. Don't it's in the same content, but leave this, consider as this is the bunch number of the data. Now I wanted to translate the content from English language to example Dutch language, Arabic language, or any language. In this case, we need to apply the formula. How we can apply the formula? The formula is equal, then type it as a Google Translate. Here I am getting the suggestion. Then the open brace. Here is the open brace. Then I have to select content. What content I am going to convert? This is the content I am going to convert. Comma, open double colon, then write a content language. Whatever the content you are going to convert, you have to mention the language. What is the language code of the content? Example, I am using the content of English language. Actually, the English language code will be EN. I will tell you how we can find out the language codes. Then close semicolon, again comma, then open double colon. Now we have to mention what language we are going to expect the output. So I can say example, I wanted to convert the English language to Dutch language. So Dutch will be NL. Dutch code will be NL. So open colon, then mention the destination language, then close the double colon, close the brace, press enter. That's it. You are translated the language from English to Dutch. Click on it. You will be translated the complete data in a minute. Example, now I shown how we can translate from English to Dutch language, but I wanted to translate into Arabic language. I want to translate into Spanish language. There are a lot of languages there. So let's go back how we can find out the language codes. Just go to Google, type it as very easiest form. I can say Google language based Google Translator, the language codes. Here you can see search suggestion is coming. I got it. The first here, this is the one, language codes. You click on the language codes, it will be opened. That's it. You can see here any language you can consider, convert it easily. I will show you one more. I am going to convert it into Arabic language. Select, open it, open the brace, then select the source content, comma, double colon, source content language code, close colon, comma, destination language is Arabic. That's it. We have converted the language. Thanks for watching.